Hey everyone, Moataz here from Protocase with your Proto Tech Tip for today. Today I'm going to be talking to you about min bend. Here at Protocase, when we talk about min bend, we are talking about the minimum distance that a cutout should be from a bend. So why is this important? If we have a cutout on our parts that are too close to the bend, those cutouts are going to be stretched while the part's being bent, because all the cutouts are cut into the material when they're being laser cut and the part is flat. So when we're talking about min bend, we are talking about the distance from this face of the part to the corresponding edge of your cutout. These different cutouts are at different distances from the bottom of this part, or they have different min bends. As you can see, these cutouts are perfectly intact and it doesn't look like there's any stretching that's happening on them. But if we take a look at another part with three cutouts that are at three different distances from the bend. One of them is at 1/4 inch, the other one is at 200 thousandths of an inch, and the other one is at 150 thousandths of an inch. With the first two, we can see that there's no stretching observed in the cutouts. But with the last one, we see that it's quite close to the bend and the bottom lip here has been stretched. And this might not be desirable for your design. So when designing your parts and placing your cutouts close to bends, you might wonder, how close can I get to this bend without my cutout stretching? It depends on the material that you're using, and it also depends on the types of tools that are going to be used to bend that part. This could change from manufacturer to manufacturer and could also change from machine to machine, as there are multiple methods of bending sheet metal. So if you want to know more about min bend and what our specific values are, you can visit our website, and there's a very helpful table there that can give you all the information that you need. Feel free to check out our website for more information. Be sure to also check out our blog, which outlines many other technical tips. Or just send us an email at info@protocase.com. Thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope this was helpful. And be sure to tune in next week for another Proto Tech Tip.